there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Raise your hand if you're ready to quit being an active member of society and float in your pool all day. Oh, me. I've got the pool float here that's going to help you reach that goal. This goal we share is not a mere dream. We can float in our pool all day. Look how cute this thing is. I love this pineapple pool float. It is the perfect size for me. It was so easy to inflate. It's got two different valves on it, one for the little pineapple top and then one for the rest of it. I think the number one thing that I love about this is it is the perfect size for me to fit on. I am not a small woman, but I can fit on it perfectly. I love that I can put my arms up and rest them on the pineapple top, and the rest of my body fits perfect on there. It's very durable. I know that I'm not gonna fall off of it and it's not gonna bust, even though I'm not very small, but it holds up to 300 pounds, and that is pretty fantastic. So I got this pool float so that I could get some sun, because I just think fat looks better when it's tan, right? So I love that I'm not getting wet. All of me is in the sun. There's not holes in it that's gonna let water in that'll affect me getting some sun. So I love that. I can lay on my stomach, I can lay on my back, and I'm getting full sun the whole time. This is my favorite pool float. We fight over it as a family because the kids wanna play on it, but they ain't getting it. So if you're ready to stop being an active member of society and just have a new job floating in your pool all day, you're gonna love this. But that's just my point of view.